Hey, thank you for joining me in another video. Today I'm going to be installing a power point on my tractor. For some reason it does not have one. I do not know why. I think this should be a standard thing, just a simple power point. But I have to buy an aftermarket one. I'll be installing it. You know, it's good to have one. You know, if you need to blow up a mattress, make coffee, make toast. You know, if you want to plug in some sex toys, I'm not judging, you know, but hell, who knows. But yeah, basically it's got the standard port here. You have your two USB ports, digital readout to show you how many gigawatts your machine's producing. I'm going to be running it straight off the battery. Each one goes to each separate plug. Inline fuse, off and on switch, butt connectors. Pretty simple to do. The hardest thing is going to be finding a mounting point where I have enough room where I can mount this in the tractor. But yeah, so I'm going to continue the video and show you how I installed it. Alright, so I'm continuing the video. I'm inside my tractor now. I have spent literally, I've been in here for about 30 minutes trying to figure out where a good placement for the power port would be. Well, you know, left side I have my cup holder, you know, and I don't want to get into cutting into these panels. I really don't. And also, when you're in a tractor, you're bouncing, you know, from side to side. You know, you could knock something loose, something that's plugged in, break it off. Don't want to deal with that. If I have a drink of water in here and it spills, don't want to deal with that. This side here, dealing with a joystick. Again, I don't want to get into this panel. My high-low, medium range was right here. Yeah, bunch of shit going on over here. Also my joystick, you know, if you have a wire hanging off and, you know, put it back here and then a wire gets tangled in here while you're doing work, it just doesn't make any sense at all. So my mounts, my phone mount, you know, if I shoot some videos, I use this mount here. If I'm just listening to my radio, I keep it in this cradle here. But since my mounts are right here, what I'm going to do is come off to the side of the actual center console here. I already drilled my 3 holes. The only kind of downside to it is I'm not going to actually see the voltmeter, but you know, you can still have enough room. Even with the door closed, I could still see it because it's going to be right here. The center console kind of tapers off, you know, tapers in, so I'll be able to see it because I'm going to put it in this one here. So yeah, if I have any wires plugged in, it's not going to get in my way because, like I said, my mounts are right here. And that was the best place that I could find for it. Of course, if it was, you know, one of these panels over here, it'd be a little bit more convenient, but there's just too much stuff going on. And on this side, you know, the wire would be in my way if I'm getting in and out. So this is out of the way. I think it's a really good place. So that's where I'm going to end up mounting it. Okay, so this is where I'm currently at. I just dropped in my switch. I didn't do any wiring yet. I put my faceplate on here. What I'm going to start doing now is running my wire to my battery. But what I did notice is, shit, you know, they only give you about 4 feet of wire. So I'm going to have to make up some extra wire because it's not long enough. So once I start running that, I'll continue the video, but this is the point that I'm at now. Okay, so this is what I done. I came off my positive side and also my negative, which is right there. Ran my wires. These are my inline fuses I have here. Easy access. If anything blows, I just split that open, put new ones in. And put the heat shrink back on. Zip tied it. Ran it here on the rail. Now, the reason why I didn't go in there, because I just want easy access to this. This is out of the way. It's not in the way of anything. Even if I have to disconnect the loader here, it's not going to affect it. Just didn't want to get into that big mess of wires in there. And so I ran it on the outside here. Went underneath. There they are, coming up there. There. That's my finished product here. Voltmeter, USB, regular 12 volt switch. Here it is. I have no idea why the lights, the little light is not lighting up on my switch, but it's not. I don't know. I don't know if it's defective or don't have a light in it, but I believe it's supposed to light up. But there it is. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have any comments, leave them down below. If you have any questions, and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching.